If you have to apply lip balm more than 3 times a day, your lip balm is toxic, period. The beauty industry intentionally uses chemical exfoliants and irritants like phenol and menthol to keep your lips permanently chapped, so you keep buying more. Today, we stop buying them. I'm going to show you 7 completely clean lip balms you can make at home in under 5 minutes, for $3 each. No sponsorships. Let's go. Before we make anything, you need to understand 4 ingredients because they show up in almost every recipe. Beeswax. This is your structure. It holds the balm together and creates a breathable protective barrier on your lips. Unlike petroleum, which completely suffocates the skin, beeswax lets moisture pass through while still protecting from wind and cold. You can buy cosmetic-grade beeswax pellets online or at craft stores for about $5. That bag makes 30 lip balms. Shea butter. This is your nourishment. It contains natural vitamins A and E, which support skin repair. It melts at body temperature, so it absorbs into your lips instead of just sitting on top. Jojoba oil. This is your hydration. Jojoba is the only plant oil whose molecular structure nearly matches human sebum. Your lip skin recognizes it and absorbs it like it belongs there, because chemically, it basically does. Vitamin E oil. This is your preservation and antioxidant protection. A few drops extends shelf life naturally and protects the other oils from going rancid. Those 4 ingredients form the base. Every recipe today uses some combination of them, plus 1 or 2 extras that give each balm a specific function. Let's make them. Recipe 1. The Everyday Balm. This replaces chapstick. 2 tablespoons beeswax pellets, 2 tablespoons shea butter, 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, 5 drops vitamin E. Melt the beeswax and shea butter together in a small heat-safe bowl over simmering water. A double boiler setup. Takes about 3 minutes. Once fully melted, remove from heat. Stir in the jojoba oil and vitamin E drops. Pour into small tins or empty lip balm tubes. Let it cool for 30 minutes. That's it. 4 ingredients. No oxybenzone, no parabens, no BHT, no 5 fragrance allergens. None of the things chapstick puts in their SPF formula. Just a clean, breathable barrier that lets your lips actually heal instead of trapping irritants against them. Makes about 10 to 12 balms. Cost per balm, about 30 cents. Recipe 2. The Overnight Repair Mask. This replaces Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. 2 tablespoons cocoa butter, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Same double boiler method. Melt the cocoa butter and coconut oil together. Remove from heat. Stir in the raw honey while the mixture is still warm so it blends smoothly. Pour into a small jar. Let it set. Raw honey is a natural humectant. That means it pulls moisture from the air into your lip tissue. Laneige claims to do this, but their formula includes synthetic fragrance and yellow 6-lake dye sitting on your lips for 8 hours while you sleep. This recipe does the same hydrating job without the allergens and dyes. One note: because this contains honey, it has a shorter shelf life. Use it within 4 to 6 weeks and keep it in your fridge between uses. Cost per jar, about $2. Recipe 3. The Natural Pink Tint. This replaces $40 Dior Addict Lip Glow, 2 tablespoons beeswax, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon shea butter, half a teaspoon of beetroot powder. Melt the wax, butter and oil together. Remove from heat. Add the beetroot powder and stir thoroughly until the color is evenly distributed. Pour into tubes or tins. Beetroot powder gives you a gorgeous natural pink to berry tint depending on how much you use. More powder equals deeper color. Start with half a teaspoon and add more if you want it darker. Dior uses synthetic dyes, including Red 27, which reacts chemically with your skin to create a custom color. That chemical reaction causes low-grade irritation on the thinnest skin on your body. Beetroot just stains. No chemical reaction, no irritation. And it costs about $4 for a bag of beetroot powder that lasts a year. $3 per tinted balm versus $40 for Dior. Recipe 4. The Glossy Balm. This replaces Summer Friday's lip butter. 1 tablespoon castor oil. 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil. Same melt and pour method. The castor oil is the star here. It has the highest viscosity of any plant oil. That thickness creates a natural glass-like shine on your lips without any synthetic polymers or plasticizers. Sweet almond oil is lightweight and packed with vitamin E. It absorbs quickly, so the gloss doesn't feel heavy or sticky. Summer Fridays charges $24. This costs about $2 and gives you the same glossy finish without a single synthetic ingredient. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. Every recipe on this channel uses clean ingredients backed by actual science. No brands pay for this content. Let's keep going. Recipe 5. The Gentle Lip Scrub. This replaces any store-bought lip scrub loaded with synthetic fragrance and harsh exfoliants. 1 tablespoon fine brown sugar, 1 teaspoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. No heat needed. Just mix them together in a small bowl. Apply to your lips and gently rub in small circles for 30 seconds. Rinse off. Apply one of your healing balms immediately after. Brown sugar dissolves as you use it. That's the key. Unlike walnut shell powder, which is jagged and can cause microtears, sugar granules round off and dissolve with moisture. A gentle mechanical exfoliation that removes dead, flaking skin without damaging the new skin underneath. Use this once a week maximum, not daily. Your lips only have 3 to 5 layers of protective barrier. Exfoliating every day destroys what you're trying to rebuild. This batch is about 50 cents. Make it fresh each time you use it. Recipe 6. The Vegan Balm. For everyone who doesn't use beeswax. 1 tablespoon candelilla wax, 2 tablespoons mango butter, 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, 5 drops vitamin E. Critical note: candelilla wax is harder than beeswax. Use half the amount you would use for beeswax. If a recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of beeswax, use 1 tablespoon of candelilla. Otherwise, your balm will be rock hard. Candelilla comes from the leaves of a shrub. It's plant-based, cruelty-free, and it creates the same protective barrier structure as beeswax. Mango butter is lighter than shea butter. It absorbs faster and doesn't leave a heavy, greasy film. Perfect for daytime wear under lipstick or on its own. Same double boiler method. Melt, mix, pour, 5 minutes. Recipe 7. The Deep Repair Balm. This replaces Blistex medicated. 2 tablespoons shea butter, 2 tablespoons calendula infused oil, 5 drops vitamin E, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Calendula infused oil is the ingredient that makes this recipe special. You can buy it pre-made or make it yourself by soaking dried calendula flowers in sweet almond oil for 2 to 4 weeks. Calendula has documented anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties in published dermatological studies. It soothes cracked raw tissue without the numbing chemical trick that phenol uses. This recipe is specifically for lips that are severely chapped, cracked, and peeling. The kind of damage that Blistex claims to fix but actually perpetuates with phenol, camphor, menthol, and SD alcohol. Apply this before bed. Let the calendula and honey work overnight. Within 1 to 2 weeks of using this instead of Blistex, your lips will actually heal because nothing in this formula is disrupting the repair process. Total ingredient cost for all 7 recipes, about $15 to $20. That makes enough lip balm to last you an entire year. Which recipe are you making first? Drop it in the comments, and if you haven't seen why your current lip balm is making things worse, watch the video linked above. It explains the full science behind the dependency cycle. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.